Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to find archived emails in Gmail in 2026. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful Gmail tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click More, then select All Mail. This folder shows every email in your account, including archived messages. Archived emails don't appear in your inbox, but you'll find them here without the inbox label next to them. You can also use the search bar at the top. Type keywords, sender names, or use in.all to narrow results. To restore an archived email, open it, click Move to Inbox, and it will appear back in your inbox. And that's it. You now know how to find archived emails in Gmail using the 2026 method. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really supports the channel.